Hello, this is Shep here and Mr. Nick at Sun Valley Auto Club. That's a new intro.
It's pretty impressive.
Wow, I can actually change. In front of us here is a 1955 MG TF 1500. We had a black one in here last summer. So happy to have the another TF 55 in the shop. This one's been super well taken care of. Nick and I have got the under photos for you. Great wood on this, great body, no body issues whatsoever. Gorgeous bright work, and this is a car that you can just jump in and just cruise 55, 60 all day long. So this is the end of the T era. 55, April of 55 was the last year before the production of the MGA, which you see that in the background. That one sold. So last year of the TFs, the 1500s, 1500 obviously goes to displacement. It's actually a little under that, but close enough. 1466, and that was a big jump up from the 1250s. So this one is gorgeous with the wire wheels. A lot of work done on this throughout the years. It's always been garage kept, but new stainless exhaust, front end work's been done. Everything is just tight and sorted on it. We've got photos of the top off, so we'll leave that down. More we'll get into the driving of this, but this video is helpful just to take a look at the overall condition without monkeying with camera angles, stuff like that. If you're coming in from long distance or thinking of shipping this out of here, that's what this video is all about. It's just to help you out. So well sorted with, of course, wire wheel 5. All the chrome works good, the body works good, the metal's good, wood's good. And this is nice too, just this little, it's obviously a cover for your convertible top, but it is the tonneau as well. So that way if you're in the fall, you want to just stop and have a picnic, you don't want leaves to get in there, that's good. Also in the fall and spring, you can leave that zipped up so all the heat does come out of just through the driver area. Quick rainstorm, that's pretty helpful versus putting the top up. Love the octagonal gauges in the center stack of your instrument panel. You've got two glove boxes in there. You've got your wipers, all by hand. We do have the original owner's manual, and that comes with it right in the glove box. 60,000 original miles, 6,000 on a rebuild, and that rebuild was really just for the sake of doing it more than anything else, but that's been done, and you'll get a listen and a hear of that. The seats do have a few blemishes, not much, but if you want to zoom in here, Nick.
Yeah.
Oh, you got it. Maybe those are cigarette burns. A couple of little small things. Pretty inexpensive to recover if you want to do that. The black hides it well, but again, kind of the purpose of the video. And did you get a good look at that wheel?
Yeah.
That Banjo style wheel.
Yeah, we'll get in
with
there.
The coloring.
And then the octagonal.
Oh yeah, you're showing off
here.
The gauges.
Oh yeah.
All shown.
Very cool. Why was that? That was so they can do both sides, right?
Yeah, just flip the wheel over. Everything's center stack, so whether it's for the US market or the British market, it wasn't a big process to do. Big, long, flowy fenders going into your running boards. Really great design. And that is the XPEG, which would be the 1466 or the 1500 engine, the bigger engine. And we'll turn this on, go through lights and brights. And there's your toolkit in there, your hammer for your knockoff, jack, etc. So that's all very complete. So beautiful front grill, beautiful paint.
look at the lights. So you got running lights, left blinker, right blinker. The right blinker, those are your headlights. That works really well. We already got to look at those manual windshield wipers. Take it around back here. Alright, so you got your running lights. Got the left blinker. The right blinker. The power is on this right one. Try to get a close look. The bulb's gonna need to be replaced, but the power is linked up and it is turning on, but just a dim light bulb. The brake lights work great. Hop in for a ride.
Nick, I welcome you as this tiny windshield. That sign pretty much covered up the entire view for you. We got Xander out there, sealing up our engine bays for us.
Working away.
We love our summer high school hell. Otherwise, it'd be you and I doing it. Yeah, for a small car, I mean, we're just kind of like lowered in here.
Like on the road.
The windshield actually, or the dash comes up pretty high. Pretty well protected. And it's jet season. Second homeowners in, enjoying the valley. Hi. There's reverse. As long as you know where it's at, goes in and out pretty smooth.